Hi everyone, I'm Benjamin, I'm a functional consultant in Odoo. Today I present you Online Appointments, an application to manage meeting online and automate your scheduling process. So the plan of this talk will first start with a bit of context to explain you in what kind of situation it's nice to use this application, what this application do to solve the problem. Then I'll show you a quick demonstration to show you a little bit more in detail how it works, and finally a conclusion that's really original. So first, the context. When to use this application. So it's really useful if you have to handle a lot of appointments with your client, typically for dentists, doctors, for hairdressers, for garage, photograph, and so on. We even use it at Odoo. I don't know if any of you has booked an appointment to have a demonstration with one of our sales, but if you did, you've already used the online appointments. So the main problem when you have a lot of appointments to take with your clients, it's very time consuming. So you'll be interrupted a lot of time to take your calls. You have to search in your agenda to find a right time slot for you, for your customers. It's annoying, it takes a lot of time, it will stop you right in the middle of your task. So yeah, it takes a lot of time and it's a big hassle. Then you also have a lot of double booking. Since you do it manually, you have to juggle with all your agenda, your application. You're human, you make mistake, and you might have double booking, or even your employee might forget or not see that you've booked something for him, and you will have two clients showing up at the same time, so that's not good for your client and for your reputation. And also you have the problem with people not showing up at all just because they forget to cancel, they didn't reschedule, and yeah, it's just time wasted where you are free with no client. So if this kind of situation is talking to you and someday you feel a little bit like this, then online appointment might be the right solution for you. So now I'll talk about the application to show you what it does and how we can solve those problems. So first, it's quick and easy for you and for your customers. So let's start for you. I'll just show you some screenshot of the application to quickly show how it works, but I'll go in details after. So just a few clicks, a few steps, you can set it up. The first time you create your appointment type with some scheduling rules. Then you assign your employee, you define the time slot, and that's it. You publish on your website, and that's it. And for your customers, it's even simpler. So he goes on the website, he chooses the type of appointment he wants, the person he wants to book it with, then he searches for the right time slot, put some more information that you're asking for, and he confirms and you both receive a confirmation email. So that's really easy and quick to set up, just a few seconds, minutes. Then it fills up your agenda effortlessly 24/7. So you don't have to manage anything. You just let your customer do it for himself 24/7, even when you're not working, and you just look at your agenda filling up. So that's really nice. It saves a lot of time. Then it's fully integrated with Odoo. So yeah, as every Odoo application, they are all integrated all together, so it makes it easier to use. Since the interface is the same, so you're already used to it. But also it's totally synchronized with all your calendar. So if you have another meeting already booked from somewhere else, or even in another calendar, the time slot won't appear. If you have some leaves and you're not available at this time, the time slot won't be available for the customer, so you won't have double booking since everything is synchronized and integrated all together. To reduce no-shows, well, you can't totally erase it, but we provide some tools to do it. So first, we let the opportunity to the customer to cancel and reschedule it. And when he reschedule, well, it deletes the previous meeting. So it frees some space and you won't have wasted time. Also, it allows the customer to add it to his own calendar easily. So it's one more way for him to not forget his appointment. So that's good. And also we have automated SMS and email reminders. So it's another tool to help him to not forget. So that solves most of the classical problem, and there's a few more cool features. So the first one is, you have some individual link. So you can use it to send it directly to your client. If he's asking directly to you, you can put it on your email, your signature, on your social media, like that. They directly arrive on your calendar, and it's even easier for them since they won't have to choose their appointment type, they won't have to choose you, they will be directly on the calendar with the time slot. So it's a few less steps for them. And also, as I showed in the previous slide, the customers has to fill a form with some information, but you can customize it if you need some more information to be better prepared for your meetings, or if you need some more information to give to your sales that will allow them to create some leads or opportunities, so you can do whatever you want. You can put some information mandatory, so that's cool. So to summarize, we see it's quick and easy, just a few steps, a few clicks. You fill up your agenda effortlessly. So after just the setup, you don't do anything, everything is automated. It's fully integrated with Odoo, so you won't have double booking. You can allow rescheduling, canceling reminders, so you will have less no-shows. You have some customized appointment forms and individual links. So now I'll show you live how it works. So you go on the website, online appointments. So here we can see the 3 appointment types that I've already created. I'll take one. To make it easier, I'll duplicate it directly. So here it's like a photographer. So let's create a fashion book, for example, just the price for information. So here you have your scheduling rule. You define how long you want your appointment to last in average in your calendar. So here, let's say that it's long and it takes 2 hours. There it's the time. So here if you put like 24 hours, it means that when your customer will be on the website, he won't be able to book before 24 hours. And here it's just that after, he won't be able to book after 50 days. So you won't allow him to book for next year, just for 50 days. And for the cancellation, he will put 1 day. It means that he won't be able to cancel his appointment after 1 day before the appointment. The time zone, it's quite nice if you define it. So for example, for Odoo, when you book a demo, we book demo with people all over the world. So if you book with someone from United States in Belgium, and with the time zone, everything is set up, and you won't have to think, oh yes, there's 8 less hours, so I have to pay attention. No, everything is calculated, so you don't have to pay attention. Here you have the reminder. You can put as many as you want. Location is just for information. You can let the customer choose the person you want to book with, or just to assign it randomly. And then below, you choose all the employee you want to assign. All the employee have working time. So it will adapt accordingly in the calendar. We'll see after how it works. The slots, yeah, you have to define manually all the slots. That's the only pain. The question is for the customized form. So here we can just, like, for example, give us some more information. So they will have another text box where they can put some more information. For example, you can put as many as you want, and a message. So when you click on your appointment type, that's the message that will appear to describe the appointment, and the appointment confirmation, it's an extra message that will appear at the end. So here, let's say we are done. So on the customer side, you arrive on your website. Well, it's not a nice website. It goes directly on appointment. So there you choose. For example, we'll take the one we just created. Here, that's where you can see your welcome message. You choose the person you want to book with, and then you check the availability. You choose one. You answer the question. Country. Belgium because. Some more information. You confirm. Fail. Okay. Well, normally I should not even be able to select it, but at least you have a message to say that you can't do it. So we'll try with another one. Hopefully it will work. Okay, so it worked. Now it should appear in the calendar. Fortunately, I can't remember the date, and I've booked a lot of other meetings already. So yeah, basically that's it. It's quite easy, straight to the point, and that's it. So let's go back to the presentation. No. Oops. So to conclude this, we've seen it's quick, easy, saves a lot of time. You won't have double booking, less no-show. You have the customized form and individual links, sorry. And it's Odoo application, so it's fully Odoo integrated, it's easy, user-friendly. So yeah, that's nice. And basically it will save you time, money, and hassle. So as Jim Rohn said, time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you can't get more time. While with Odoo and online appointment, you can get both. So that's it. Yes.
So you are talking about avoiding double booking, but can you also permit several clients to get the same time slot? If, for example, you really want like several people to have an appointment at the same time, if, for example, you're doing a webinar or workshop?
Yeah, that's a good question. I don't think you can do it like that. Right now, it's not possible. I have to check what we can do if there's a workaround or if it's possible, but yeah, it's not done to be used like that, unfortunately. Another question?
I saw you put like the prices behind the description.
Yeah.
Is there also a possibility to link it to? I already
No, it's just for information, but yeah, it's not linked. You can't create a sale order or something like that directly with that.
And a product in the future maybe that you display products next.
I can't tell you. I don't know what they plan for it. So.
Something that you can do, however, is if you can set an email to be sent as soon as the person confirms a sales order. So if the person buys something from you, then you share the link for the person to schedule an appointment. that's possible.
Yeah, but then it's not self-scaling, right? But then it's not self-scaling. Then they have to do the order and then you can send the.
Yeah, but you can do that on e-commerce as well. So the person sets on e-commerce, purchase the product, everything is processed on the back end, and then you send an email allowing the person to schedule. Let's say that you sold a TV subscription, and then the person can schedule the day for this to the installation or something like that. So at this level is possible.
Ah, okay, yeah. Okay, thank you. This feature is available in Odoo Cloud version?
Yes,
already?
it's available since Odoo 11 already. Well, that's it.
For the pricing, this is a separate app to be purchased, or?
Yeah, it's another app, and you have to buy it with and it's linked to website. So you need website to have appointment online. Any other question? Well, then.
I have a question.
Ah.
Can people use an app to schedule a client and just app to schedule it?
Sorry, I didn't.
Can the clients use it to schedule a meeting?
Yeah. Well, he goes on the website.
No, it's an app on the phone. But if the client wants to fix a meeting using his phone or her phone.
Oh yeah, he can go on internet on the website on his phone.
But you don't have an adapted app for it.
No, but anyway, for the customer, there is no app. It's just on the website. But yeah, it doesn't use Odoo application directly. So yeah, no. Yeah.
Let's say the photographer is sick and I have to cancel the Thursday appointment.
Yeah.
Is there any means to do it easy? To reschedule or ask the customer to find a new
Yeah, that's a good question. I've never done it this way, so I don't know if he received something to say that the appointment is cancelled or not. So yeah, I don't know. We can check after if you want.
For sure, something that you can do is Odoo creates a chatter for that appointment that has the customer on it. So if you have an email template or something like that, you can just pull the email template and send a message to the customer. So I'm sorry, but for so many XX reasons, I'm having to cancel this appointment. Then you forward that to the customer, and Odoo gets the confirmation of receiving or something like that. And once the customer confirms, once you have the confirmation that the customer received the email, then you can cancel the appointment. That's a possible workflow.
Maybe it's not really related to this, but is there also a possibility to connect, like you said, agendas, which are supported right now? Only Google Calendar is also getting broad. Why does support other calendars like Exchange Online and how we want?
Like we only synchronize with Google Calendar at the moment, and we don't plan to move it to any other calendar.
Really?
Yeah. But now what you can do is like with the research review, we have like add-ons. For example, for like all the programs, we have the level connector for Odoo, for example, and then with the research you will be able to communicate with that. But for now, I'm not even sure for the training we need to go to standard.
So then for Microsoft, for example, I can even standard?
Right now we won't link it to.
But what I've seen some customers doing is they have external service of calendar that pulls everything to Google Calendar and then it pulls to Odoo. So it's like a workaround.
But then there is a latency difference and they need to like run jobs and everything else. It's getting like it's not anymore a synchronized platform.
Ideally Odoo talks specifically with Google Agenda. So one thing that you can do is make Odoo pull everything to Google Agenda, then Odoo pulls from Google Agenda, and then if you have other calendars, you can pull to Google Agenda and Odoo will take from there. So that's a possible way to work.
Okay.
Other questions?